In just a few minutes, you can make these beautiful flowers and use them as earrings. This is Banner's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And to support us, don't forget to like this video please. For the tutorial, I'm using a fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. Start with one magic ring around the finger, 3 chains, in this ring, 13 double crochet stitches. And 1 slip stitch to close up the ring. Three chains. In the same stitch, 1 double crochet. And in each of the next stitches, 2 double crochet. And overall, you have 26 double crochet stitches. 1 slip stitch, 3 chains. In the same stitch, 1 double crochet. In each of the next stitches, 2 double crochet. And overall, we have 52 double crochet stitches in this row and 1 slip stitch to close up this row. Again, 3 chains. In the same stitch, 1 double crochet. In each of the next stitches, 2 double crochet. And overall, we have 104 double crochet stitches and 1 slip stitch. Three chains. In the same stitch, 1 double crochet. In each of the next 12 stitches, 2 double crochet. And after making 26 double crochet stitches, make 2 chains. In each of the next 13 stitches, make 2 double crochet. So we have 26 double crochet stitches and again make 2 chains. In each of the next 13 stitches, 2 double crochet. And repeat this till the end. Two chains and 1 slip stitch to close up. Now in each of these hollow spots, make 1 single crochet. One single crochet, one single crochet, and repeat this till the end. And take this extra yarn, pull it out to the back of the work, and at the end, sew a bead at the center of this flower. And this is how we made this beautiful flower. If you want to know how to add a needle closure clasp to the back of the earring, click on the link of the video in the description below. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day!